Welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you a few pieces of jewelry I picked up from Melinda Maria. You can't go anywhere on social media without seeing her ads, and I fell prey to the ads. So I got one of her mystery boxes. Her presentation though, it's immaculate. It's beautiful, gorgeous. So let me show you. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, these are little studs. Again, it's a mystery box. I don't know the name of the pieces. My fat fingers can't open this little bag. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's, how darling, it's that, how dainty. This is for someone who has tooth piercing. I don't. So, but I think I can still wear it. That is really pretty. So that, I don't know, again, the names aren't on the bag to tell me, but that is a really cute little dainty piece. The next piece. Oh, nice. These are earrings. Now this I can wear. Oh, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? That is just gorgeous. So far so good. I'm liking this. I can definitely wear. And then we have another, I'm assuming that's possibly a bracelet or a necklace. They're so dainty. Oh, it's a necklace. Okay, let me show it to you on here. I'm sure it'll be better. A better presentation that way. Why do I feel like I'm on QVC? Isn't that pretty? That is stunning. And it has lobster clasp. That is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous piece. Yes, I love that. Oh, I thought those were the, this is the box. I guess those are extras. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little envelopes in this beautiful box that I'll be sure to be keeping all of them in. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's another pair of earrings. They're very, very delicate and very dainty and ladylike, and my big fat ginger fingers can't open these. Okay, here we go. Oh, how dainty. Beautiful. I love that. What do you think? I'm liking it. I like her stuff. I just feel that my big fingers can't handle these little dainty things. Okay, and then this, I'm loving this. I think this is my birthday. I choose. Okay, this says, when women support each other, incredible things happen. Love that. Love that. And that's absolutely true. I'm trying to take it off the card that it's on. Okay. And again, everything is just so dainty and pretty and just stylish. I love that. Her presentation is just immaculate. Isn't that beautiful? I love that so much. Can't wait to wear that. And then next, this is a link bracelet, it seems like. Oh, it is, but this is not for me. This cannot fit in my hand. I'll just put it up here, so I'll take that off. You'll be able to see it better this way. Even with the extender, I doubt this will fit me. That is just so tiny. So someone with tiny wrists will be getting that. And then we have, whatever this is. I guess it's a hugger. I guess that's what they call them. I think it's adorable, but it's not for me. But I love her presentation. I love the pieces that I've seen so far. I'm going to enjoy trying these on and wearing them. I love everything about her brand and how she advertises. She's just the queen of her ads, and I just love that about her. And her message of women supporting women. I'm all for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any of her pieces, please let me know in the comments how well they wear, if they turn green, because in I think my Mint and Lily video, after wearing, and maybe it's my fault, but every time I shower, I had those pieces on, those necklaces on, and they started turning. I've had this for 2 years. This is a Michael Kors, and I shower in it every day. I don't take it off, and it never rusts or changes. And that Mint and Lily that I had, it changed on me, so I can no longer wear it. So I'm hoping these aren't like that. But I know she has, I think, lifetime warranty on her pieces. So let me know in the comments if you do have it. Let me know how well they wear and if you shower in them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Goodbye.